Okay, so last time we started 1.8, so let's do that first practice on 1.8, the lesson practice. Uh, okay, remember you have as many attempts as you want. All right, so try the lesson practice here. Okay, um, all right. So what kind of data is translated into a digital format so it can be stored in a computer? Using a microphone to record a sound in your computer is an example of what? Using an LCD projector to show an online video to a group of people, an example of okay. And just try it. You may not get everything right, but then fix your mistakes. All right. Let's go to the next activity. All right, so now we got some code practice. Okay, this is Old MacDonald Had a Farm. E-I-E-I-O. Okay, now there is some code meant to output the verses of the song Old MacDonald Had a Farm. When the code is working properly, if the user types in Python for an animal, when prompted to enter an animal, and for the sound, when prompted to enter a sound, the program should output the following as it runs. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a python, E-I-E-I-O. The computer won't actually sing, that's just your teacher who's singing for you. Okay, with a sis here and a sis there, here a sis, there a sis, everywhere a sis, or a sis. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Okay. Hope you like that. All right. Well, but there's problems. There's errors in the code. Ah, no, not errors. Okay. We're gonna have to fix that. Try running the code and look what happens. Okay, so let's run the code. Run the code. Okay, Python. Enter a sound. Old MacDonald had a farm. E. What? We need more than just E. We got to have E-I-E-I-O. Had a Python. We need a space between and Python. Okay, so let's fix that first problem. E-I-E-I-O is what we want. So here I see the variable E has been given the value E, and that's where they are adding the E-I-E-I-O. So I think I'm going to put in E-I-E-I-O, the same thing. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to run the code again. Python. Oh, okay, good. Now I've got the E-I-E-I-O's. Okay, so I just had to change the value of the variable. All right. Okay, and then we need a plus something. Okay, so I think we need to add a space so that we don't have a right next to that. Now we could add a space that way, or we could also just add a space by just putting a space in there. That's probably easier. Okay, anywhere else where we need to add a space? Maybe there. And maybe there. Okay, let's run the code now. Oops, save it, run it. Okay, Python. Okay, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had a python. Oh, I don't see a space there. And on this farm he had we need to add a space after the comma. E-I-E-I-O with a push here and a blah, blah, blah. Here, blah, here, there, blah. Everywhere, blah, blah. Oh, okay, so this should be sound here. Okay, let's try it again. Enter animal, Python. Let's go back to this. Okay, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had a python, E-I-E-I-O, with a python here. No. That's wrong. It shouldn't be animal. It should be sound again. So that animal has to change to sound. Okay. Whew, it's a lot of work, and you just got to go little by little, running it each time and checking it. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a python, E-I-E-I-O, with a sis here and a sis there, here a sis, here a sis, there a sis, everywhere a sis. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Okay, I think we're pretty close to the output that we want. So let's save it and let's try the grading. Check my code, please. Check my code. Check my code. Yeah, and it looks good. So remember, this is a big part of a computer programmer's job, is just looking for and fixing mistakes. Don't forget to submit. Okay, and go on to the next step.